Hello everyone, welcome back to Mystic Pour Studio. Today we are diving into a fun and sparkly resin project, making these beautiful coasters with a unique glitter outline effect. If you are looking to add a little extra flair to your resin creations this festive season, this is the perfect technique for you. So let's begin. I am using the square coaster molds and some glitter outliners. These are super easy to find online or at any local craft store. If you are looking for the exact same ones I'm using, I've linked everything down in the description for you. I've picked out 4 different glitter colors to really make these coasters pop. I'm going to start drawing some random lines and shapes directly onto each mold using a different glitter color for each one. You can go totally freeform with these or pick your own favorite patterns and shapes. It's all about letting your creativity flow. Once I finish the glitter outlines, I'm going to let them dry completely before moving on to the next step. The glitter is fully dry. It's time to mix up a fresh batch of resin. I am using a 3:1 ratio resin and I've already got it blended and ready to go. I am pouring a clear layer right over the glitter, covering the entire mold and making sure those sparkly designs are fully immersed. You've got 2 options here. You can either fill the entire mold with clear resin for the sleek glass-like look, or you can add a second colored layer, which is what I'll be doing. But first we need to let these cure completely. Now that the first layer is fully set, I'm adding a beautiful background by mixing some pearl white mica powder into my resin. This adds a subtle shimmer that will really make our glitter outline stand out. You can color the final layer however you like, just pick a shade of your choice and finish these off with a stunning pop of colors. It's time to demold. See how stunning these coasters turned out. The glitter outlines and the pearl white shimmer really gives them the extra touch of elegance, making the coasters a beautiful addition to any space. Whether you're using these for yourself or gifting, the coasters will definitely stand out this holiday season. They are the perfect way to add a bit of sparkle and charm to your decor. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.